still in starting of the series with Python, with supply chain analysis. But before we even start analysis, we will start with using the Python. So in previous video, we install Python from an Anaconda. Then we start the whole Anaconda environment, and we check and make some base mathematical functions, calculations to check if our Python is work correctly. Today we will talk about libraries, why it's important and why you will need libraries, and I will put you the three most often used, most useful libraries for analysis. Of course, it's the fourth one, but whether they put it here is Scikitlearn, but I believe that Scikitlearn is more for machine learning. We probably will see in future videos. So here I focus on three of them. Let's maybe start why we import libraries so that you can use Python code. So you don't need to create your own functions in Python. You can use already created one, and it's very useful and it's time saving for you. So that is the reason that you are importing libraries. And let's start how you can import those. I create the comments and the first section. But when you start coding in VBA, probably you will start with create variables at the beginning, and we will start create codes in Python. We probably will start with import library that we will be using. So let's start from beginning. First row is Numpy, so the numerical pandas. It have all mathematical functions you can use, and so you don't need to create min function, but you can already use created one. Pandas, it will be very helpful for you to data import into Jupyter Notebook, and it will be helpful for you with data manipulation in data frame. And Matplotlib is the base visualization libraries that you can use and create charts with that. And how you can import those? You need to use word import, then name of library, and then it's not obligatory, but you can put a shortcut for it. Most of the time you will create the shortcut is most of people use it with this naming, so np as numpy, pd as pandas, and plt like matplotlib. And to use this code, you can just click Ctrl Enter, and right there, code is working. So let's see some base code. So first of all, that will be numpy. Here I create the np array. So if you want to use function from libraries, you need to put np, so the shortcut, then that, and then the naming of function array. I want to just create the array so you can make some base mathematical preparation, so mean and standard deviation. And for this array, so I put this array into mean, standard deviation. I'll be printing mean, so the object from here I put here, and standard deviation I put here. Control Enter, and we see mean it will be 30, and standard deviation 41, sorry. And that's its base. So first the name of the library, then the function that you would like to use, and then some of the variables that you create or not. The second thing is the pandas data frame. We use create a lot of data frames with pandas. So I create like base one with name and age, and then the def is very useful when you think about data frame. It's the shortcut for it. So pd data frame data, and you can even think that it's very similar to as a worksheet in Excel, almost the same, I think. And I think about it like worksheet. Then I make very simple thing. So for this age, I just add +1, so increment, to make some base and show you how to make some very base data manipulation, and then print data frame. Control N, so we see name John, it was 28, but I increase it by 1, so it's 29. Very simple. And the last one, it was of course Matplotlib. So I already import libraries from here, so I can use it. And I create like x, y information, so just plot it. And as well, so I put plt, then plot, x, y as a plotting. Then I put x label as a naming, so here you can see it. Then I put plt, x axis, y axis, then the name, like title, line plot example, and if you want to show it, you need to put plt show. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it for this video. I think that I explained you the three most base libraries and why it's important to import it in Jupyter Notebook. Thank you for watching.